In this work, we propose a method for assessing situations with respect to their suitability for lane changes. It is trained in a supervised fashion on real driving data and can easily be extended to other driving maneuvers by simply exchanging the underlying training data. Our proposed method consists of a bidirectional LSTM network, which uses the intelligent driver model for predicting future states. Additionally, we propose a novel labeling method for this kind of problem and compare it to the ones used in existing works. The term driving strategy describes planning for autonomous vehicles on different hierarchical levels, from map-based global mission planning to tactical planning. One way of approaching this problem is to use classical rule-based planning. Machine learning offers new perspectives, for example supervised or reinforcement learning. However, each of these on their own come with downsides. We believe a combination of different strategies will be necessary to create feasible algorithms for autonomous cars. This work introduces a new situation assessment layer, which is independent of the planning layer and can be added to any possible planning algorithm in the following form. The planner, considered for example a rule-based planner, decides that a lane change is necessary to take a highway exit. It will then query our situation assessment network, which will answer whether such a maneuver currently is possible and safe or not. With this information, the next driving maneuver is planned and passed on to the trajectory planner. Our approach uses the following bidirectional LSTM network. The used features are the distances from the EU car to neighbored vehicles on the current and target driving lane. These are converted to a grid and fed to the network. In order to obtain a real-time feasible bidirectional network, we use the intelligent driver model to predict future states and positions of relevant cars. The outputs of the two LSTM cells of each step are combined and fed to a softmax function, which outputs for every time step the probability that this situation is suited for a lane change. We tested our proposed method on the publicly available NGSIM highway datasets. Since we use supervised learning, we need data labels. Previous methods used a principle which could be called action-based labeling, obtaining labels by observed driving behavior. Alternatively, we suggest an automatic labeling method in which we check for minimal gaps over future time periods. With the classification accuracy of 87 to 88%, our bidirectional LSTM outperforms our standard LSTM network as well as approaches from existing works. To conclude the video, here a short extract of our supplementary, showing the algorithm in action. The EU car is drawn in green, the neighbor car is in orange, indicating the target lane. Below the video, the ground truth labels as well as the output of an SVM, an LSTM, and the bidirectional LSTM are shown. The resulting prediction is also shown on the right. 0 denotes a situation not suited for a lane change, 1 is suited situation. Next to this, the number of correctly predicted frames is shown. While time unfolds, you can compare the different algorithms and observe the advantages of the bidirectional LSTM.